Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can open a split view in the Avast browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I just closed that split view. Let me show you how it's done. So launch the Avast browser, and it works almost the same way as on Google Chrome because they actually use the same, I don't know how to call it, the same build-up here. So or software. So what you want to do is right click into the given open tab, right? And then what you want to do from here is select this option, add tab to new split view. And that is going to, open a new tab here, which should be a completely new tab. So you will need to click into it and then enter the URL address here. So I don't know, let me go to Facebook or something like that. Or the search page here. And as you can see, these two tabs are basically in one tab, but they have been split. So now you can customize, for example, the width by clicking into this handle here and moving it to the left or to the right. So how do you close these split views? So simply close the one you don't want to have open anymore. So by clicking into this or that X button here in the bottom right, that is going to return or restore the previous view, and that's it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.